Okay, welcome to the luxury version of East to West. This is the East to West Ahara. It would be the 390DS. Now this is a very unique floor plan. Let's go take a look. All right, so we are inside the Ahara. Now first and foremost, it is not hooked up to power as of yet. They're still working on all that, but look at how bright this is inside already. With these big massive windows on the living side, which we prefer. You've got a really nice table, and I believe there's some storage in this table right here. We do have these chairs, but I also believe these chairs fold.
Two of them
fold and two do not. Theater seats right in front of the windows, but it's directly across from your entertainment. I love how big this island is, and you get island extension on this side and on the other side. Okay, so for the kitchen, first of all, what a beautiful kitchen. A residential stove and oven again. Plenty of space on either side of it for prep work. We've got a really big island here. Single basin sink, deep. Okay, so we have a cutting board that is removable, but also if you use it here, you can pull out your trash can and it cuts and falls right over top of your trash can. How nice is that? Sponge drawer. Another drawer.
And they are dovetailed, so
yes.
They're made of higher quality material than what
solid wood.
What you're
solid
used
wood.
to.
Storage and storage. Oh, we have a caddy, paper towels. You can take this out to your table, fill it full of condiments, your paper towels. You're ready to go eat outside. Just one grab. On this side, we've got storage all over the place. Drawers and more cabinets. This kind of reminds me of our Candair. We've got these same drawers and cabinets. We've got an Everchill 12-volt fridge. A really nice pantry here.
Ooh, pretty.
I love the magnet locks. They've got 2 magnet latches. Man, that's hard to open. So you can be sure that's not coming open down the road.
Because there's no power.
There's no power.
Huge.
Storage here. More storage.
I love the coffee bar.
More storage.
It's beautiful.
The difference from our rig is we have a double door pantry. They take that out and give you more of a coffee bar feel that you see in other rigs. It's nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, and these are solid surfaces, so it's not the cheap plastic stuff.
One more thing here in your entertainment. We've all seen this before from other brands.
East to West is now offering it.
Storage above the TV as well. I think the TV, there's storage behind it. There's some storage behind it.
Really?
It does pull out, so you can turn it. But there's some storage shelves on both sides.
Great idea. Also in this rig, there is a bunk room.
You have a loft. Your ladder's built in. So you can see inside. This is a 2-person loft for sure. Storage in the back, a place for a TV in the back. So you can see all we got going on up here.
So what makes this rig so unique is what's behind this door.
If you have a mother-in-law, now she can go with you. But look at this, an extra bedroom. Full bedroom, full bath. You got a full bath back here. A separate entry door for whoever is staying in this area, so they don't have to disturb everybody.
I mean, this could be a kid's room if you
teenager?
have like 2 girls or 2 boys that could share it.
Where this part of the bed is what moves in and out. This stays put. No, it is a king bed. We've got 2 wardrobes. This pulls out so you can access your hanging clothes easily. Shelving down below. Same on this side. Okay, so shower is plenty big. You got a place to sit. This here, if you're tall like I am, 6'2", you're gonna have to like duck or just use the handle. It's so much easier. 2 spray ports here if you wanted to spray on your body. Same countertop as in the kitchen. Nice bowl sink. I mean, I can get both hands in there. Plenty of room. Cabinet, very nice big cabinet. Storage over here. No doors on it, but this is just like in our Candair. And then you got the drunken octopuses, as what Josh the RVer would say. to hang up some towels. Or down here we have a movable toilet paper holder, and it's attached to a magnet. So when you are going down the road, it doesn't move.
You can move it anywhere you want, but then when you're in travel,
when you're in
can
travel,
sit there.
it stays on the magnet.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. And then there's storage right underneath here.
Yep, all kinds of storage here. Really nice size closet up front with mirrors that slide. Here we've got a hanging closet or stackable washer dryer. King size bed comes standard in all east to west. They do have a cubby here for storage in the wall. And then you notice they don't have side tables. They put them above the window. So if you have a CPAP or anything like that, you have that space to set that CPAP. Your USB and your plugs are on the side of the bed that doesn't move in and out.
With a light as well. This has storage underneath.
Okay, so we've got a 4-drawer cabinet. And then for extra storage, you can put whatever you want up in here. I do like that you have a barn door on the bedroom, sliding barn door, and a pocket door in the bathroom. If you go through a lot of rigs that have a pull-out swinging door on both, you kind of have to do the door dance in the hallway, and there's not a lot of room in the hallway for that. But man, I love this. This
probably comes with 3 ACs.
Yes, it has 3 AC.
3 AC units.
All right, so let's look at the features on the outside of this 390DS. So first and foremost, this MoreRide door handle is amazing. It goes the full length of your steps. Very sturdy. I like it. So we've got H-rated Cooper tires and the CRE 3000 standard. Look at this pass-through. It is full of stuff because we are at a show, right? The amazing pass-through drop frame. This is a 101-inch wide body.
And it's got water hookups here.
That little yellow device is for your TPMS, is a repeater for your TPMS. All right, underneath you got a 2,000 watt inverter for the solar. This is where your batteries go. I believe it's not generator prep. You got a door here. We can't get to it, but this door is hinged, so we can get behind the water bay, check things out there. Nautilus P4 system. So instead of having pull valves, you got powered valves. This is your black tank. You open and close your valves with a switch now. Suburban tankless hot water heater, full-time hot water. All right, so this RV comes in at basically 14,700 pounds dry. This also has about 2,100 pound cargo carrying capacity. This is the end of this review for this product. If you want to check out any other East to West products, go to easttowwestrv.com. They've got a full list of all the products on there. You won't be disappointed.